Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy and quick to work up turban head wrap and scarf. So let's get started. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. To make this easy scarf and turban head wrap, I'm using this homespun yarn, and it's considered a bulky yarn, and the color is waterfall. And I'm using a 9mm crochet hook. If you prefer to work in short rows, you can make this scarf in this direction and start out with your foundation chain of 18 or 21 and just work row after row for as long as you would like your scarf to be. Or if you don't mind working in long rows, you simply start with your foundation chain the length that you would like, and then you're going to work all the way across like that. So either way will work. So you're going to start with a slip knot and work your foundation chain in multiples of 3, and work your foundation chain loosely. Make the stitches loose because it's not easy to find your stitches with this homespun yarn, but only the first row is going to be difficult. After that, it becomes very easy to find the position for your next stitch. So a foundation chain in multiples of 3. And after your foundation chain is the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the 3rd stitch. Now you're going to skip 2 stitches and you're going to make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So skip 1, 2, and you're going to work in the 3rd stitch. You're going to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1 and 2. And you're going to do that all the way across the row. So skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, work 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Like that. So it's 2 double crochet in every 3rd stitch all the way across the row. Okay, after you've worked all the way across the row, every row will now be exactly the same. Turn the work, then work in that space between the 2 double crochet and make 1 slip stitch. Now chain 2 and then double crochet in that same space. Go to the next 2 double crochets, work 2 double crochet in the space between the 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Go to the next 2 double crochet. In the space between the 2 double crochet, work 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. You're going to continue that all the way across the row. There's the next 2 double crochet, work 2 double crochet. And continue across the row. At the end of the row, there's that turning chain and the first double crochet. So you're going to work your last 2 double crochet in that space. And every row will be exactly the same. It'll be turn the work. There's the first equivalent of the 2 double crochet. Slip stitch in that stitch. And then chain 2. And double crochet in that same space. and then work 2 double crochet in the space between the 2 double crochets all the way across the row, and continue working row after row until your scarf is the length that you would like it to be. And then you can fasten off and weave your yarn end into the finished work, and that's how easy it is to make the scarf. And it's so soft, it's very soft. This yarn really, it kind of frays, so it's not really good for anything except scarves and maybe head wraps, because it just doesn't have the durability for structured garments. I crocheted a whole sweater with this, and then I decided to unravel it because it just was not going to stand up. To make the head wrap, you're simply going to work as many rows as you need to be able to wrap the work around the head. Then you'll fasten off and either slip stitch the 2 ends together or sew them together with a needle and the same yarn. And I'm going to sew mine. All the way across the tube, like that. And then I'm going to pull my seam to gather it up like that. And then I'm going to wrap the thread around several times. Like that, just to form a turban. And then I'll weave the yarn end into the finished work. Like that. So that's how easy it is to make this set of scarf and turban head wrap in this very soft and luscious yarn. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.